Ayan.
Hi, hello!
May PTA meeting po kasi ngayon.
Hey, you're still with us here.
Ayan naman umalis ka dyan.
Dati yung mga...
Sino nakabili na ng So It's You?
Kami!
Hey, you're still with us here.
Ayan, let's try. Siya.
Aminin niya, pag hindi siya yung magandang mami, hindi yung factor niya ma-attend sa PTA meeting. No?
Ay, sandali. Doon na lang sa kabila mo ilagay. Mother ni Ma'am Joyce. Oo, doon na lang. Yan pa tayo ituloy.
Let's try.
I hate it. Kasi si Kuya, si Manong, nakakita.
Adjust na po tayo ng kaunti kasi ano po yan, parang...
Let's try lang. Siya says let's try.
Makakita na natin yung mga parents na sa ating mga kids na they're
Fun and excitement here in the studio with the performances from your favorite stars.
Let's try siya. Dahil alam mo dito sa ABS-CBN, talaga essential ang talent ng mga performers. Lalo na yung ating mga child mothers na hindi magpapanalo pagdating sa singing, acting, at dancing.
We make sure that all future stars have what it takes to be Siyempre po, nag-games ng future generation as well as confidence, skills, make it big sa kanila.
Siyempre, importante sila na gano'n. Nafe-feel nila ang support ng kanilang mga mentors at kanilang mga parents. Alam mo, as a mother, talagang importante sa akin to be a part of Cal's personal development. Dahil iba talaga pag nagtutuwa ng support ng mga magulang, pagdating sa honing ng talents at kanilang skills.
That's exactly what the partner preschool to watch.
Show ko ako sa CNTS.
Search on TV.
Yan ang brochure.
I shine, Sunrise, Brown Talks, talents, and skills like of young children.
And finally, after screening all the kids who auditioned, we've already introduced our 12 eye-shiners na promoted to eye-shine talagang yesterday po yung pilot episode namin.
At ngayon, ito si Asa, when kilala sila, please call you.
Pagmamahalin talagang cameraman nasa studio na.
This portion